Hello, my name is Eddie, and today we'll be learning quadratic equations, specifically how to solve them using the factor method, or factorization as it's called. So now we have a quadratic equation here, x squared minus 9x plus 18. The first thing you need to do is you multiply the coefficient of x squared by 18. Now it's important you know what a quadratic equation looks like in its basic form. So the basic form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So the first step is to multiply c by a, and in this case c is 18, and a, although you cannot see a is 1. So if you multiply 18 by 1, you would have 18. So now the next step is to find two factors that when you add them up, add up to -9, and when you multiply them, the product is 18. So if you just go by elimination, what numbers can you multiply to get 18? What are the factors of 18? You can come up with a few things. You can come up with 18 and 1. You can come up with 2 and 9. You can come up with 3 and 6. So these are all factors. So which of these factors when multiplied would give you 18? All of them. But you also have to note the second important thing. When you add them up, would they give you -9? Now, the most likely answer here is 3 and 6. But when you add 3 and 6 up, it is +9. So our factors would have to be -3 and -6. So when you multiply -3 and -6, it would give you 18, and when you add it up, it would give you -9. So those are our factors. So we would rewrite our equation like this: x squared minus 3x from here minus 6x from here plus 18. So now this is where we begin to actually factorize. So we can group these two equations like this, or this one equation, we can divide it into two. So looking at this side, what is common between these two variables? X is common. This is x squared, this is 3x. X is common. So we can factor x out, and then it will become x minus 3. And if we look here, what is common between these? What's the common factor? It is -6. So -6, and this is x minus 3. A good way to check at this stage if you are correct, the expression in one bracket must match the expression in the other bracket. That is how to know if the factors you chose are indeed correct. So we take one of the expressions, x minus 3, and then we take this factor and this factor, x minus 6, and these will form our two factors, and from here we will get our answers. This is all equal to 0. So now we take the first expression, x minus 3 equals 0. And we take the second expression or equation, x minus 6 equals 0. And so from the first thing, x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. And then for the next one, x minus 6 equals 0, x equals 6. So our answers are values of x equal, first value of x, x1 equals 3, and or in this case our second value of x equals 6. Thank you.